In this video on charts within Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales, we're going to show a specific chart in this case, the stacked bar chart. Now, it's kind of a favorite of mine, so I just want to explain how that works. Now, this is one in a series we've done specifically on charts within Microsoft Dynamics. You can see links to others in the series below. Also, if you've got suggested content ideas or you need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, please see the links below. So let's talk about the stacked bar chart. So let's go to the opportunities area again, where we've got some reasonable data to use. And in order to build a chart, we need to show the chart area. And then we go to the three dots on the top here. That gives us our menu, and one of the options is new for a new chart. And we are going to create a new chart. And we're going to use open opportunities for the preview, which is the little thumbnail view here. And we will give this a name, and we'll call this Richard Test 4. And we're going to use the same approach as we did in the last video, where we showed how you can have two values on the horizontal axis. So the chart I'm going to plot in this case is going to be estimated revenue, and I'm going to show this by estimated close date, and I'm going to show it by sales stage as well. So let's scroll down, find sales stage. There we go. So this is showing us a conventional, if I just go to this now, this is showing as a conventional bar chart or column chart at the moment. And I'm going to save this and just show what this shows, because this is going to show pretty much the chart we built last time. So effectively what I've built here is estimated revenue by close date broken down by sales stage. And that kind of gives me some useful insight in this particular case in terms of my upcoming deals, the ones that are going to be closing this month in March, and what their split is by sales stage. And that might lead me to conclude in this particular case, I've got a lot of early stage opportunities that are due to close this month, which might be a bit of a red flag to me. But another way of seeing this information, and potentially a better way of seeing this information, would be through a stacked column chart. So I'll show you what I mean. We can go back and we can edit this chart, and we can change this from a standard column to a stacked column. And you kind of see the change there on the thumbnail. If I save and close this, I can see this. That's a lot better way of rendering both the revenue we can expect by month, and then that breakdown within that revenue by where we are, in this case, in terms of sales stage. That's a much better way of displaying that. Now we've also got the option, if I just go back into this, edit it again, if I wanted to, I can display that as a 100% stacked column chart. So every chart, well, I can save and close it so you can see how it renders. Everything is going to be 100%. We can break down what percentage of the estimated revenue it is for each sales stage. The other option I've got, and if I just go back and edit again, I've shown that vertically, but if I wanted to, I could go to a stacked bar chart and have that displaying horizontally if that was a better rendering of that data. And if I save and close that, you can see how that shows. Anyway, I just wanted to sort of walk you through that stacked bar chart option, because I think that's a powerful way of charting information. So this is one of the series we've done specifically on charts within Microsoft Dynamics. You can see links to others in the series below. Also, if you've got suggested content ideas, or you need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, please see the links below. Thanks very much for your time today, and hopefully see you again soon.